Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I remember you not to forget share, comment, like this channel. So I have published there are about 500 videos from this channel. So I published rope joint, climbing hitches, then adventure knots, rescue knots, rope rescue, and other rescue knots I have published from this channel. Today today I have to go learn most important knots for this channel. This knot is most important, and after our task we can release easily. Name is rope chain. Rope chain is most useful for jungle exercises and adventure climbing. Like this situation we can use very easily. First of all, take keep rope like this, then guide the loop, then pull. Very simple knot, this knot. After that, pull. It's most useful rope chain. Every situation we can use this rope chain. Then we can release like this. I will teach again. Small turn and pull and guide the rope. Finally, I made like this rope chain. Then we can release. Okay, very tight. So today my video is over. I will request you not to forget to my Knot Master channel. So you can subscribe, share, comment, like this video. I will come next week with you. Thank you.